Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video because many students are struggling when they are at home with this new format of what they do while they're gone. So if you're gone even for one day, or if you're gone for 2 weeks or longer, here's how you're going to do your absent work for science. You're going to go to your classwork tab once you are in your Google Science Classroom. And then that's where you will find the most current assignment. So if you're absent on these days, then that's the thing you're going to click. Okay, so here's the instructions. Read each slide and respond to the prompts on the Thinking Deeper document. And then it tells you what to do each day. So on Monday, you'll do slides D through F. Tuesday, you'll do slides G through I. Okay, so you'll need to do two things. You'll need to open the slides. So while that's opening, let's go back. So you have to open the slides right here, okay? You also, can't drag and drop. You also need to open the Thinking Deeper lesson. So open up that Google Doc, okay? This is where you will find the answers. Here is where, or the things that will help you get the answers. And then this is the place where you type your answers, okay? Now, if you're only gone on Monday, you're just going to do slides D through F. If you're back on Tuesday, then you don't have to do G through I. If you were in school on Monday and you were absent on Tuesday, don't do D through F. Start with G through I, okay? Now, I'm going to go back here to the slides. Hopefully they're pulled up. Okay, notice that some of these are grayed out. You can still look at them if you want, but that's because they're grayed out because you don't necessarily need them for the assignment. Okay, this slide D is the first slide that you'll need for your assignment. Okay, also notice you have some notes down here at the bottom that might help. Now, in this case, they're just questions, but sometimes there's little tips and tricks down there for the teacher that could be helpful to you. All right, so I have my slide up. Now I'm going to go to my document. Notice the document, there's a date here. Okay, so that tells me what day I'm working on. And here it says hot water test data, slide D. Okay, so these 4 questions are all going to be answered from this slide's data. So when you're answering the Thinking Deeper document, you need to look and see what slide are you on, okay? And then make sure you're on the same slide over here. And this is where you will find the data that you're supposed to analyze. Use the questions. Read the question. What patterns did you notice about the cup's ability to keep water hot? Now I know I'm coming over here and I'm looking for a pattern. What pattern do I see about a way these cups work to keep the water hot? So I'm looking for a pattern. So I would read the question first, then go to the slide. So I know what I'm looking for on that slide. Then I'll come back over here and I will type my answer in this document. And then I'll read the second question. And then I'll type my answer underneath the second question. And then the third and fourth, and so on. So here we have slide E. So once I've got those 4 questions answered, now I'm going to go to slide E. Here is slide E with some more information that you can use some little guidance to answer these questions. Sometimes the questions are just typed over here to help with that. Then notice right here, big bold print, November 2nd assignment ends here. So that's where your assignment ends if you are gone on Monday. Then Tuesday, you would start here with slide G. So slide G, I'm going to come back up here. E, F, there's slide G. How are the cup features that keep things cold the same or different from keeping things warm? Okay, so we're going to try and figure that out. Do the best you can. You're missing a lot of the class discussion, which is kind of a bummer when you're absent. So you just have to go your best case scenario. Okay, once you've completed, if you were gone on Tuesday as well, once you've completed your questions, okay, you've completed that document, then make sure that you turn it in back over here on you should have a button up here that says turn in, but you also need to turn in the assignment. Otherwise, I don't get a notification, so you would have to go to view assignment, and you get that magical blue button that says turn in or mark as done, and then that way I know that you have finished it. Okay? Otherwise, I don't look for it. I assume that either you couldn't do it for whatever reason. Okay, so that's how you do absent work. So you go to your absent work, find out what slides you need to do for that day, open both documents. This is where you find the slides. This is where you're going to type your answers. We hope to see you soon.